Hello dear student, I am Pradeep Kumar. Today let's start your third chapter, synthetic fiber and plastic. Okay, this is your fifth lecture. This is my profile. Okay, so now let's start your chapter. I had already discussed the following topics like types of fiber, natural fiber, and synthetic fiber. Main type of synthetic fiber like a nylon, rayon, acrylic. These are the also discussed in previous lecture. Nylon, polyester. I am also told to you that about a polyester. Polyester is the uh, polyester. Polyester one of the most popular man-made fibers. Okay, polyester one of the most popular man-made fiber. Fibers it is made of repeating unit. It is made of repeating units of chemical called ester. Okay, that means I am also told to you that polyester word making from two words poly and ester, then that means polyester one of the most popular man-made fiber. It is man-made of repeating unit of chemical called ester. It is a widely used to make cloth. Okay, it is widely used to make clothes. Example: shirt, pants, jacket, beds, sheets, curtains, sarees, mouse pad, etc. Okay dear student, so let's now discuss about acrylic fiber. Acrylic fiber is man-made or synthetic fiber. Acrylic resemble wool. It is also called as artificial wool or synthetic wool. ये एक्रिलिक जो होता है हमारा एक तरीके का मैन मेड वूल बोला जाता है इसको। ये मैन मेड वूल होता है और ये क्या होता है, इसको वूल को रिसेंबल के इस तरीके से रिसेंबल करके बनाया गया हमारा एक तरीके का होता है, थ्रेड होता है। इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड आर्टिफिशियल वूल. आई एम ऑलरेडी टोल्ड टू यू दैट acrylic is a cheaper than natural wool and can be made in various color by dyeing. और ये हमारा जो होता है बहुत ही एज कम्पेयर टू नेचुरल वूल के, हमारा ये क्या होता है बहुत ही सस्ता होता है, बहुत चीपर होता है। और हम इसको हमारे ये जो हमारा एक्रिलिक फाइबर होता है ये बहुत सारे कलर में क्या होता है अवेलेबल होता है। क्लॉथ आर मेड फ्रॉम एक्रिलिक आर रिलेटिव चीपर देन क्लॉथ आर मेड बाई वूल. ओके ओके डियर स्टूडेंट, acrylic is used in making sweater, blanket and other many cloths. Okay, so let's start your new topic, characteristic of synthetic fiber. Characteristic of synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber are cheaper, stronger and durable than natural fiber. I'm already told to you that about synthetic fiber and natural fiber. You also know that about natural fiber in class 6 and 7. Okay, and in this chapter we knowing that synthetic fiber are many types like rayon, nylon, acrylic and polyester. Synthetic fiber are cheaper, stronger and than natural fiber. It is easy to maintain, easy to wash, dry up in less time and readily available. Synthetic fiber possess unique characteristics which make them popular dress material. Okay dear student, plastic. I am told to you this is the plastic. Okay, plastic plastic is a also a polymer link the synthetic fiber. All plastic do not have the same arrangement of unit. In some it is formed in linear, whereas in other it is formed cross linked. Okay, this is the linear arrangement and this one is the look here, and this one is the cross linked arrangement. linear arrangement, and this one is the cross linked arrangement. If you also try to linear arrangement, like a piece of paper, if you took a piece of paper and cut into the linear arrangement and cross linked arrangement. Okay, this is the plastic. Okay, dear student, something know about a plastic. Plastic is a polymer. Plastic is a polymer that and very recycled, colored, okay, reused, mold or drawn into wire और various other shapes. प्लास्टिक को क्या हम बहुत सारे शेप और साइज में हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इसको रिमोल्ड कर सकते हैं. ओके, आपको पता है, कह रहा है कि द यूनिट ऑफ शेप and units of some plastic have linear arrangement, while some plastic are formed by the cross linked arrangement. Okay, this is the linear arrangement and this one is the cross linked arrangement. Okay, thus plastic is used in the making toy, suitcase, bag, plastic chair and so many other materials. Okay, and also discuss about plastic. Then plastic further divided in two types. First one is the thermoplastic and second one is the thermosetting plastic. What is the thermoplastic and what is the thermosetting plastic? I also discuss about thermosetting plastic and thermoplastic. Thermoplastic are those plastic which remold and reuse again and again. Okay, and thermosetting are those plastic which don't remold or reuse uh, uh, when once when one timer is formed. Okay, that means अगर हम क्या करते हैं, जो थर्मोप्लास्टिक होता है उस प्लास्टिक को हम बार बार रिसाइकल करके अलग अलग शेप और साइज के हम क्या प्लास्टिक को बना सकते हैं. लेकिन थर्मोसेटिंग प्लास्टिक ऐसा प्लास्टिक होता है जो एक बार सेट हो गया तो उसको हम फिर से दोबारा क्या करते हैं, किसी शेप और साइज में हम मोल्ड नहीं कर सकते. ओके, तो दिस इज योर प्लास्टिक. Plastic can be recycled, reused, colored, melted, rolled in sheets, okay, or made into wires. That is why it finds such a variety of uses. Type of plastic. Plastic can be divided in two types: thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Okay, thermoplastic. Such plastic which get easily bent or deform on heating are known as thermoplastic. Example of thermoplastic are PVC, polyvinyl chloride, and polythene. It is used in making toy, bottle, cum, container, etc. Okay, dear student, I am also told to you that about a plastic, such plastic which get easily bent or deform on heating are known as, बार बार जिसको हम क्या करते हैं, रीमोल्ड करके शेप और किसी भी शेप और साइज में अलग अलग तरीके के हम क्या करें, ऑब्जेक्ट को बना सके, ऐसे प्लास्टिक को हम बोलते हैं थर्मोप्लास्टिक. और थर्मोसेटिंग का मतलब एक बार जो सेट हो जाए उसके बाद दोबारा उसको हम क्या कर सकते हैं, किसी शेप और साइज में क्या कर फिर से रीमोल्ड नहीं कर सकते, उसको बोलते हैं थर्मोसेटिंग प्लास्टिक. Okay, thermosetting plastic. Such plastic which when mold once cannot be softened or deformed by heating. एक बार जब सेट हो जाए तो उसको दोबारा हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि हीट करके डिफॉर्म नहीं कर सकते. These are called the thermosetting plastic. Example of thermosetting plastic are bakelite and melamine. These plastic are used in the making electric switches, handle of electric appliance, हैंडल ऑफ किचन यूटेंसाइल एटेक्स्ट्रा. आपने देखा होगा कुकर में आपका हैंडल जो लगा होता है इस तरीके का प्लास्टिक होता है, बिल्कुल क्या होता है, ब्रिटल हो जाता है. अगर एक बार टूटने लगता है तो बिल्कुल ब्रिटल एंड मंगूर की तरह आपका निकलने लगता है. ये सारे आपका आपने देखा होगा. समझ में आ गया. अब बात करेंगे प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ प्लास्टिक. property the topic of properties of plastic discuss in next class. Okay, your today homework is you find the types of you you try to understand thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic, and plastic, what is the plastic and polymer. Okay, you prepared, you write the difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Okay, dear student. So